Hi, you already know I like this pair GBP yen for it has these big swings where you can make a lot of money and trade a lot of pips. And right now I make this video to show you that it seems that we are at the beginning of a new trend. The new trend is showing down, but it's just the beginning. You see here, I draw this half circle in a way, like a swing. Um, Here, beginning from the 17th of March, we could see the price was settling in this region and it stayed here in range until the 3rd of April, we could say, so until yesterday. Um, so after going up for almost 2 months, now we finally seem to see a reversal. This is the 4 hours chart, and now we move to the 1 hour chart. Here we also see this swing, but here we have the swing down, which started on the 24th of March. So it started around here when the price was settling. So the price had time to move slowly down. You see here the lower lows starting from the 25th of March. Here we could not have said yet that we go down. Here it was the last push up, and yesterday we saw another push. Okay, this was related to Trump's news, and I noticed, that news related to him tend to disturb the markets. So you have to have a big margin if you want to trade this news. But it is good that it is actually foreseeable that it will reverse the direction it started with. So before the news, you see here the price went up and then the price came back into the initial direction, we could say. So this is Trump related news here. And it's not the only time this happened, such big spikes up or down. So you should be prepared for that. Either you follow all the news and timings, or you have a very high margin, a few hundred pips. Okay, back to this chart. The price is moving lower and lower. We are now on the, we could say, on the 5th day of the movement down. And this is the day we see big swings. It could be that tomorrow it pushes a little bit up, only tanking for going down again. So here is what I think about a longer time frame. The price should be going down, but of course it needs time to develop. If you see here, if you look here from the 21st of February till the 26th of March, it was going up. It could be that we see another month going down, or that it develops until, I don't know, maybe 50%, which is almost there. But what is important for you to know is to keep in mind the direction. So when you enter a trade, you try to get a good price for selling. If you want to buy in a downward trend, it's really not advisable because you don't know when the price will stop growing. Even if it needs a retracement right now, you don't know exactly how much it could be going up, because what happens in this cases is that it suddenly pushes down a lot. But we have to see the following days when would be a good time to enter a short. For now, I wanted to present you the new direction. Thanks for watching and happy trading days.